Hello everyone, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are starting right here in front of our classrooms because as you can see, we have our previously loved machine sale going on in here. We have lots of new machines always coming in, so be sure to come on in, check them out, and also check our website because we are constantly updating that as well. We have everything from entry level all the way up to last year's top of the line there. You can see the Luminaire 3. So if you are interested in getting a new machine, maybe finding something a little different, we have lots of options here for you. Okay, just a quick little mention as well. We do have Claudia Donnell coming up next week. So if you have any questions on that or you want to sign up, you can give us a call. And now we're going to start our little tour for today. So we're going to start off with our notion of the week. We have all of our containers and sort of organizers still here from last week. These are all still going to be 20% off. So we've got different thread storage, lots of different project bags, maybe even some little Notion bags. So if you're still kind of new year, organizing your sewing space, we've got you covered. We've got lots of options here. Okay, and that brings us to our first line of the day, which is this adorable collection right here from Riley Blake. This one is brand new. It's called Twilight Creatures. Very cute woodland theme, a beautiful sort of variety of blues, sort of all the way from that minty aqua to a deep navy and some lovely light blenders. We have some different fat quarters for this line. There is also this adorable panel that centers all of those very cute little woodland creatures. It's quite a large panel here, so you could even cut out the main portion of it and use these as little blocks throughout a quilt. There is also a free pattern from Riley Blake that just uses the whole thing as the centerpiece of the quilt and then adds some cute borders on there. So if you're looking for a fast and easy project, this is definitely very, very cute. But there are lots of varieties of yardage, so if you want to do something a little more unique, it definitely has kind of the variety you would need to do something very cute and quirky as well. So first line of the day, super adorable. Moving along over here, we have a new collection from Northcott. This one here is called Barista. It's a cute little coffee collection. So we've got kind of, some very cute little blenders, some coffee themed prints. You've got the classic mugs, all the different crafts that go with it, some very cool text. That's always a good one to have in your projects. It also comes with some running yardage that has all of these different very cool text themed prints, different little motifs here. You've got a nice running border here, so if you've got enough yardage you could use that as a border. There is also one of their classic apron panels. So you've got the main portion of the apron right here and then the straps there at the bottom. Really showcases Northcott's signature sort of watercolor look, but of course with your coffee theme mixed in there. If you're looking for another fast and easy project, we do also still have some of these adorable little table runner kits that utilize the border print from this Wilmington Prints collection. This was Coffee Life. So very cute. That would be a perfect birthday present, a little gift for somebody. Super cute. Okay, and coming around here, we've got a new collection from Ruby Star Society. This one is called Bird is the Word. So quite a large collection, lots of different prints and colorways. It's got that adorable bird theme. And it does wrap around both sides as well, all the way around the table. So you've got lots of options, some cute little florals, and that main bird print. And then wraps around all the way the other side too. We also did get in some of the cute little mini starry print as a blender, so that would mix in perfectly. There's a little gold metallic star, and then the rest of the collection. Super cute, definitely more modern. Love this color palette, very fun. We do have fat quarters available for this one. We have 2 different colorways here. And we've got some new modern patterns in as well. We've got Modernly Morgan here. So if you're looking for something to kind of fit that modern traditionalism that's really popular right now, we've got a few different patterns of theirs that are very cute. Okay, and moving along over here, we did want to mention we did restock some of our woven flannels. So we have our beautiful woven flannel stacks to go along with the Diana quilt that we have up over here. So we do have stacks to match this quilt, but we do have some other colorways as well if you want to go for something a little different. But this one's been very popular. It's a whole variety of, like I said, mainly Robert Kaufman woven flannels. So we've got their mammoth flannels, we've got some of their Shetland flannels, even some of their very cool speckled flannel as well. So come in, check those out, or if you've maybe been thinking about it. It does use the Stripology Quickies book here for specifically that Diana quilt pattern. Okay, and heading on over here, we showed this line off not too long ago. It was the Outer Space collection from Riley Blake, and we did a cute little sample. This is a fun little table runner, or it could be a wall hanging. It utilizes this panel that we have here that came with the collection. So super easy, you can grab one of these. We did a little border print, a little border kind of sashing along the outside, and then just a binding. And we do still have that fabric, so if you want to kind of just copy this one, we have the panel, we have the fabric we just used a grunge for the binding. We used the same print for the backing, but it would be super fun to also do something with the planets for the backing too. So lots of options here. And yeah, super excited about that. I'm going to kind of go a little backwards today because I wanted to show off the Tim Holtz Orange collection, which we have hanging up here. This one is a very cool free pattern that comes along with the palette program. So if you come on into the store, you can pick up one of those free patterns as well as the fabric collection, which I'm gonna actually go back up and show you so you can see the fabric, you get an idea of the quilt, and then you can kind of see the fabric. So that's just right up front here where we have a whole fun little display. So we just got in the Tim Holtz Orange palette, which is right here. And next to it, we have the previous collections from the last couple months. So we have the red and the pink here as well. We also moved up some of his other stuff, so we've got his laboratory line here as well, if you want to kind of mix and match along with the palette collection. We've got lots of pre-cuts for all of these. And I don't think we've shown these off before. We did get in these really cool palette program bags as well. So if you've been stopping by, picking up each collection, and you want a place to store it all, we've got these very cool little tote bags. Okay, and with that, we'll go ahead and move on up over to the counter over here, where we have our kit of the week. So right here, we've got our kit of the week. It is the stained glass windows kit. This uses the Clara collection from Figo Fabrics. So beautiful pattern from Quilty Love. And we do still have a little bit of the yardage available as well. So if you wanted to do something for the backing, you could probably piece together, something really cool using the actual collection. So this will be 20% off for the next week. Lovely little throw size. It's 60 by 72. And beautiful quilting on there as well. Okay, well that was it for today. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Hopefully you stop by for our previously loved machine sale. Like I said, we are constantly adding new machines and have some really good options, lots of variety. So you can give us a call to see what's available or stop in. We also are updating our website with all of those as we kind of get them in. So if you have any questions, definitely let us know. We will be on Whatnot later today, so definitely tune in later. We'll have all of the new fabric that you saw today over on there. So if you saw something maybe you have your eye on, tune in. You can also let us know if you're looking for anything in particular and leave a comment in the description here. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week.